This is my blouse, and I was thinking of removing this color because I don't really particularly like the color. So I'm going to show you how I am going to remove, a very simple way to remove the color. Okay? The first thing you want to do is to detach the color from the shirt. So what you're going to do is to remove the stitches. So after detaching the collar, we are going to close the opening of the shirt. So we are going to sew a running stitch. Now it's finished. Here is the before and here is the after. If you learned something from this video, please support my channel by clicking like, share, and subscribe. Daghang salamat.